Hello there, this is Sergio Explains, and I am here enjoying an Ardbeg drum that one of my good friends got me for my birthday, which was last week. And so here I am with a Ardbeg copita. This is the European version that has measurements on the side. See if you can see that. And I thought this was one of the best days in my life, enjoying the Ardbeg drum. What do I know? That my good friend came up with a late birthday present today and gifted me, they know what I like. They gifted me the Ardbeg Blaaack. And as a matter of fact, I have not tried this before. So this is the occasion to open it and celebrate my birthday. We're going to taste it side by side next to the drum, to the Scotch. Did I say drum before? Sometimes when I drink, I don't know what I'm saying. This is the Scotch, of course. And here we go. This is the Ardbeg Blaaack. It has been aged in wooden barrels that had Pinot Noir from New Zealand before. That's why they have sheep in New Zealand. That's probably why the black comes into play. And I have not tried this before. I can already know some of the wine notes. This is incredible. I can smell New Zealand sheep and weather, stormy weather. So here I have a different copita. This one, Compare, does not have the measuring lines. This is the American version. This is the European version. So I'm going to try and taste not only this for the first time, but also side by side, compare, contrast with the Scotch. Let's see the color. There isn't much more of a difference in the color, but the black is a little bit darker, somewhat closer to my favorite color, which was the grooves. The grooves is totally orange. The black is more orangey. The Scotch is a little bit less reddish. It's more yellowish. So let's see how this goes. I don't like giving notes. I don't know how to give notes. I know how to drink though. I'm already liking it more than the Scotch. Good birthday present from my friend who is behind the camera giving me 2 thumbs up. He's too shy to appear on camera. Some of us know who he is. Oh, here we go. It's Ivan. Gracias, Ivan. Okay, so selfie out. We're going to compare, contrast, and look at each other in the eyes while we toast. Cheers to you.